Let's get to today. It marks the 6th day of witness testimony in the Delphi double murders trial. Follows another tough, packed day in court as jurors were presented those autopsy photos of the girls, Abby Williams and Libby German.
Jurors also heard from one of the primary witnesses who spotted Bridge Guy the day the girls went missing.
We also learned a lot about what happened in the final moments leading up to the girls being murdered in 2017, with a really large focus on that cell phone data that was taken from Libby's phone.
Fox 59's Kit Hanley has the specifics on the timeline and the shocking information that was revealed. Kit, good morning.
Yeah, Angela, Daniel, good morning. We have a lot to walk through before the first session starts today. Now, jurors heard from Sergeant Chris Cecil after the lunch break yesterday. He's an Indiana State Police digital forensics examiner. Cecil was the person in charge of examining Libby's cell phone, the same cell phone that produced the infamous Down the Hill audio clip that was played for jurors on Tuesday. Now, Cecil also talked about seizing and reviewing all of Richard Allen's 23 devices in 2022, stating that there was nothing on any of them that connected Allen to Libby, Abby, or their murders. However, the phone he had in 2017 could not be found. During family testimony, it was noted that Abby did not own a cell phone at the time of her death, and that Libby's phone ended up being found underneath Abby's dead body. Cecil told the jurors that investigators used cell phone towers to ping the phone. Now, we want to walk you through the timeline of the data that was shared in court. Cecil confirmed Libby's cell phone was on the Monon High Bridge at 2:05 p.m. Then at 2:13 and 51 seconds, Abby took the Bridge Guy video that captures a man walking behind the girls and telling them, quote, "guys down the hill." Fast forward to 2:31 and the cell phone records a change in latitude, altitude, and elevation. Cecil explained that meant the girls were on the move as they were reportedly led down a hill and possibly across Deer Creek. Then at 2:32 and 39 seconds, the phone never records a move again. Now, Cecil originally told jurors the phone died at 10:32 p.m. and spiked again at 4:34 the next morning, receiving text messages. One of those messages read, "Call me now," and it was from Libby's grandmother. Now, this is where it gets a little confusing here because later Cecil retracted that statement and said he believes the phone stayed on until 4:34, that it did not die at 10:32. Cecil said he didn't know why there was no movement between those hours, leaving many questions about the period of inactivity. However, that lack of movement goes against the defense team's theory that there may have been an abduction and off-site killing. Now, Cecil noted that the phone was turned on by investigators at 3:06 p.m. on February 15th, and that's over 24 hours after the girls' bodies were reportedly found, as they were found shortly after noon on February 14th. In the studio, Kit Hanley, Fox 59 News.
All right, hey, thank you for that. And also